Welcome to GSAP Animation 101. I am Gakwe, and today we are going to build a solid foundation in web motion using the industry standard tool. Let's dive in. GSAP stands for GreenSock Animation Platform. It is the gold standard for high-performance web animation, capable of handling CSS, SVG, WebGL, and even standard JavaScript objects. Let's start with the basic building block, GSAP.to. This method moves an element from its current state toward a new set of values. It is the most common way to create motion. Conversely, GSAP.from allows you to define the starting state. The element will then animate back to its original CSS values. This is perfect for entrance effects. For ultimate precision, use GSAP.from2. This requires both the starting and ending values, giving you total control over every frame of the transition. Sometimes you need an instant change. GSAP.set applies values immediately without any animation. Think of it as a dynamic CSS injector that fits perfectly into your logic. Easing is where your motion gets its soul. Without it, animation feels robotic. GSAP provides a library of built-in eases to shape how your tweens accelerate and decelerate. Power 2 Out is a classic choice for a smooth, natural finish. Elastic Out adds a playful bouncy snap, while Back Out creates a stylish overshoot that adds character. For truly organic motion, GSAP offers wiggle and rough eases. These add subtle, non-linear variations that make elements feel like they belong in the real world. When you need to sequence multiple animations, timelines are your best friend. Create one with GSAP.timeline to group your tweens onto a single, manageable playhead. Timelines offer sequencing for free. Tweens added to a timeline will play one after another automatically, eliminating the need for nested callbacks or fragile timeouts. The position parameter is your timing superpower. Pass a number or a relative string like -= to overlap tweens and build complex, layered beats. Labels act as bookmarks on your timeline. You can add a label at any point and sync multiple tweens to that exact name, ensuring perfect alignment across different layers. Stagger lets you animate a whole group of targets with a single line of code. By adding the stagger property, you can create beautiful ripples and sequential entrances. You can even use stagger objects for advanced control. Define the grid, the starting point, or even a custom function to create complex rhythmic patterns across your UI. GSAP excels at SVG animation. By targeting stroke dash offset, you can draw lines in real time. It is a powerful technique for logos and data visualizations. When rotating SVG elements, prefer SVG origin over transform origin. This ensures predictable scaling and rotation around a specific coordinate in the SVG coordinate system. Performance is critical. Always animate transforms and opacity instead of layout properties like top or left. This keeps your motion smooth at 60 frames per second. Scroll trigger connects your animation to the user's scroll position. You can pin sections, toggle classes, or scrub through a whole timeline as the page moves. The GSAP plugin ecosystem adds even more firepower. Use the Flip plugin for layout transitions or Draggable for physics-based interfaces that feel alive. Now it is your turn to build. Select a target, define your properties, and set a duration. Start simple, then layer in easing and staggers. You are now a GSAP developer. Thanks for watching GSAP Animation 101. Build something bold this week, share it with the community, and subscribe for more deep dives. This was Gakwe. See you in the next lesson.